Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to the end of our week. Make sure before you get started, you have a piece of paper or something to write with and something to write on because you're definitely going to need it today. We have a little different activity for you today. Today is more of a review of exponents and multiplying and dividing the powers of 10. But while at lunch, you and some friends are walking around and end up in a section of school that you've never been before. At the end of the hallway is a large metal door. You twist the handle and the door opens. You walk into some kind of storage room. As you start to look around, the door slams shut behind you. You turn to open the door, but it's locked. Upon further investigation, you realize this is not a storage room, but some kind of mad scientist lab. You need to go back and let your teacher know what is going on in the school, but the door requires a password to unlock it. You shuffle some papers on the desk and see a paper labeled door code with some numbers and equations on it. This must be your clue to freedom. Lunch ends in 10 minutes, and whoever uses this lab will return. You do not want to be here when they get back. So, your mission: figure out the 5-digit code that will unlock the door by solving each equation and following the clues. All right, so sounds pretty intense. I hope you guys are able to make it out alive. Let's look at the first one real quick. Right, so the clue is that the first number in the code is the second number in the answer. So your equation is 15 and 4700 times 10 to the fifth. So once you solve that, whatever the second number is, that's going to be the first number of the code. Okay, and the rest of them follow a similar pattern. So you'll solve it, you'll look at the clue, and then you'll determine what to do from there. Okay? So your assignment today is to escape. You need to escape from this lab. So once you have looked at the page on Schoology, figure out the code, and then upload your work and the code to see if you successfully escaped in the mad scientist lab. Office hours today are from 10 to 11. If you need help, please come. I'd be more than happy to meet with you. All right? I hope you all have a great day. Have a great weekend. Please remember, I forgot to put this on the slide. There is no school on Monday. So let's get done this quick, fun activity and then enjoy your 3-day weekend. All right? Adios.